Good morning all, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and healthy at your home. Today in this video, you're gonna learn about computer language and problem solving, that is chapter number 9, some important questions. So without wasting much time, let's start.
Text formatting or formatting text. About formatting. Formatting a document and its content improve not only the document's appearance but also its ability to get your message across. Here are some examples of what you can do. Format specific words as bold or italic to set them apart from the other text. Include headings to break up text based on concept, making it easier to read. Use bulleted or numbered lists to clearly identify important points you want to make. Use tab tables to present numerical data in a way that is easy to read. Include headers and footers on each page to provide important information such as the page number and revision date. Now there are three main types of formatting. Too much formatting can distract the reader, reducing the document's ability to communicate its message. There are three main types of formatting in Word. First, text or font formatting. Text or font formatting allows you to change the appearance of individual font characters. For example, you can change the font or typeface itself, increase or reduce its size, or make it bold, italic, or underlined. The thing to remember about font formatting is that it is applied to words or text sections that you select. Next is paragraph formatting. It allows you to change the appearance of entire paragraphs. For example, you can change the line spacing or justification or add tabs or increase the amount of indentation. Indentation means to leave the space or to lift the space from the margin to the space where we are starting to write. Paragraph formatting is applied to an entire paragraph. You can't apply it to only a part of a paragraph. Document or page formatting. Document or page formatting allows you to change the appearance of an entire document sections. For example, you can change the margins or add a header and footer. Document or page formatting is applied to the whole document or selected sections. I suggest that unless you are creating an outline, formatting is the last thing you can do after you type all of the text. Now first we will learn about text formatting options. First, Font. Font refers to the character typeface. The default font in Word is Times New Roman. It is the name of a font. Next is size. Size refers to the size of the characters. Font size is set in points. A typography measurement roughly equal to 1 by 72 of an inch. The default font size is 10 points. Style. Style refers to the appearance of the font characters. Regular, bold, italic, and bold italic are 4 examples. Next is underline. Underline refers to lines under text such as a single, double, word or dotted. Case. Case refers to words 5 options to change text case. There are usually 5 cases: lowercase, where we use small letters; uppercase, where we use everything in capital letter; sentence case, where the first letter is in capital and the rest of the alphabet is in small letters or small alphabets, and so on. Next formatting is about color. Color refers to the text color, means in which color you are writing, it refers to it. Next is effect. Effect refers to special effects that can be applied to font character, such as strike through, superscript, shadow, emboss, and small caps. In many cases, you can apply more than one effect to characters, but be warned that overusing effect can make your document look trashy. Next is text alignment. Text alignment refers to the way text appears between the ident. Ident means the space left from the right side, up side, down side to the left side. The options include left aligned, right aligned, center aligned, and justified. Next is all about fonts. There are literally thousands of different fonts, each with its own particular design and character. Your computer probably has 20 or more different fonts installed. Fonts come in 3 basic types. First is serif, second is sans serif, and third is script. The font available on your computer may be different from the font on other computers. The available fonts depend upon your printer and the setup of your computer. The first example is of serif. This is an example of a serif font. You can see how serif looks. A serif font has lines, curves, or edges extending from the straight lines of each letter. Serif fonts are easy to read, and especially in long documents. Next is sans serif or no serif. This is an example of a sans serif font. A sans serif font has no additional strokes or ornaments to the basic letter shape. Sans serif fonts are very clean and clear and are ideal for heading and short documents. The last one is, this is an example of a script font. Script font are similar to the handwriting. Although they may look very nice, they can be difficult to read. Script font are best suited for inventions or other decorative documents. The default font in Word, Times New Roman is the example of serif font. Next is font size. The font dialog box also allows you to change the size of a font. You can use different font sizes to give emphasis to different parts of your document. Font size is commonly expressed in points. Font sizes ranges from 8 point extremely small to 72 points, and it's very big. The standard font size for most document is 10 or 12 points. You can preview different font size in the preview window in the font dialog box. Next is change case of text. You can change the case of the text in your document without retyping it. First, select the text you want to change under the Format menu. Now change case. First, as I told you, there are total 5 types of case. First is a sentence case, where change the case of your text. Next is lowercase. You can see here in front of these purple text name how it appear when we will apply these cases in our document or in our text. Third one is uppercase, fourth one is little case, and the last one is toggle case. Now next is formatting toolbar. The most common used font tools are available on the formatting toolbar. The formatting toolbar allows you to change font name, font size, and font style. First, font name. Font name enables you to select a font. This menu includes all the fonts properly installed on your system. Font name appears with the font applied, so you can see what each font looks like. Next is font size. Font size enables you to select a size. You can also click in the box and type in a size. Next is bold. Bold enables you to apply the bold style. Next is italic. Italic enables you to apply the italic style, and the last one is underline. Underline enables you to underline the character. Next is using color. The color can add emphasis to your words and make your document easier to read. To change the color of text, select the text you want to change. If necessary, select the downward portion arrows to the right of the highlight button on the formatting toolbar. A color palette will appear. Now next is click the color you want to apply. At last, words changes the color of your text. Next is highlighting text. You can highlighting text you want to stand out in your document. Highlighting text is useful for making the information that you want to review or verify later. Select the text you want to highlight. On the formatting toolbar, click the icon. Next is the font dialog box. The font dialog box, found in the format menu or by right-clicking selected text, is another way to change your font, adjust its size and style, and preview it. Set option as desired in the dialog box. As you make changes, the text in the preview area changes accordingly. So you can see what the text looks like with your changes applied. When you are satisfied with your changes, click the OK button. The dialog box will disappear and the formatting option you selected are applied. By clicking the default button, you let Word know that all future documents should start out using this font and style instead of Times New Roman in 12 pt. Next is special text effects. Special text effect. Choose to underline your text with many different line styles and colors. Next is Word offers many special effects. Click to check the effect you want to see the result in the preview pane.